How to use Agoda for flights. Using Agoda for flights allows user to search, compare, and book airline tickets directly through Agoda website or an app. So open up your Agoda app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connections. There you want to go to flight sections from the top from the top left corner of the screen. After which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select flight, and you want to select whether it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select that out, and after which you just want to go to select to which country or the locations. Once you've done this, you just want to make sure to go ahead and start selecting a date, and once you've done this, tap the search button. As soon as you've done this, you will be able to see a list of flights that is available. And if you like to go with it, you could also go ahead and tap open the flight information detail page and select view deals and start adding it. And that's how you're supposed to use Agoda for flights. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.